Hi everybody, well, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a quick EXO marshmallow. Ooh, which month is this? This is September's box. Let's get into it and check it out. Unfortunately, this box always gets pushed. It's not one of the most important ones that I do. It's mostly just something that I do as an excuse for myself, although I don't know why anymore because I'm not eating them because of Weight Watchers. But it's a delicious box and it's fun to have around and the grandkids love it and my husband loves it and I love showing it to you guys. Each month we get 2 marshmallow flavors, although last month we didn't just get a box of 12 marshmallows. We got some of their OMG, which is like a marshmallow fluff cream. It was delicious. I just had one little bite, but it was delicious. But we're back to 2 marshmallows this month. I haven't looked at the flavors yet, but I have taken it all out of the box because it came unbranded. And I thought there was going to be another box in the box, and I went ahead and opened it. And then at that point, it would have been disingenuous to act like, oh, I was opening it with you guys. So I just went ahead and took everything out. And I'm telling you, I don't know what the flavors are yet, but I know that the bonus item is fantastic. EXO Marshmallow is $29.95 per month. You get 2 boxes of 12 marshmallows, 2 different flavors. They're Marshmallow of the Month and another flavor, and you get a bonus item. And the last few months, they've really ramped up the bonus items. We got a really cute thermal lunchbox last month, and the month before that, we got a water bottle. It was in a nice neoprene holder. So we've had some really good ones. And this month, we'll start with the bonus, is no different. I took this out, so it's no surprise for me, is the Pinky Up tea press pot. So I thought it was like a coffee French press, but they're saying it is for tea. It is super cute. You could probably use it for a French press if you don't grind your coffee too fine. I don't know why you couldn't, but just judging from the box, it is super cute. So let's check it out. So again, this is another really good bonus. I mean, the Tamagotchi was cute and all, but this is way better than that. Oh, it's so cute. So it's not huge, and honestly, I really appreciate that because I don't want a bunch of tea in the morning. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? This is a 20-ounce cup. This is the tea thing. How? That is so cute. It looks like 1950s vintage. The top is gold. Oh my gosh. Measure, fill, stir, steep, 12-ounce capacity. So it's a cup of tea. Gold finish, hand wash only, do not microwave, borosilicate, glass, and stainless steel. So you'll just take the top out, put your tea in there, and then you'll probably treat it just like you do a French press, where you can leave it up so that it gets to play with all of the water in there. And then when you have the color you want, or it's steeped the appropriate amount of time, I usually go by color, you can just push it down and it will push the tea to the bottom, and then you can pour your tea out. This is super cute. On the bottom, this feels like silicone. Does it say what it is? Nothing seems to say what these bottom parts are made of, but this is so cute. Okay, marshmallows, which is really why we're here. Let's check out the flavors. So, I love you a latte. September's Marshmallow of the Month Club. September's Mallow, a favorite of queens, kings, and Troop XO alike. Earl Grey. Okay, perfect. Right on top, so I didn't have to look at the bottom one. Earl Grey is a strong black tea base. So that's why we got the little tea thing. Just saying. With notes of citrusy bergamot and sweet vanilla. I cannot wait. Our marshmallows are infused with these subtle hints of cozy tea parties and pair well with coffee, tea, and salted caramel s'mores. It's the Earl Grey marshmallows. They are gluten-free, egg-free, and preservative-free. I say if you have issues, always be sure and look at the back because they are not all free of the same things. Take them out. That is what they look like up close, and we will do this again downstairs once we have one out, but can't smell anything yet, so I guess that's a good thing. But Earl Grey is right up there with my favorites. I love a chai. I love an Earl Grey. This is very exciting. I look forward to trying this. I think my husband will like it too because he likes tea also. All right, let's see what the next one is. Oh. There are 2 camps. Love it. Put it in everything because it's that time. Or hate it. Let me know below. which camp do you fall into with pumpkin spice flavored? Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Pumpkin spice mellows are the first seasonal marshmallow we ever created, made with real pumpkin and a dash of our favorite spices. We hope this marshmallow brings you a bit of joy in the season. I hope it does too. Oh, this one has the calorie count on it. It is 3 marshmallows for 100 calories. It is dairy-free, gluten-free, tree nut-free, and egg-free. Oh, I'm so glad it mentions tree nuts because I have one granddaughter that has nut allergies, so she'll be able to have this one. That is so fun. Pumpkin spice marshmallows, I have to admit. You know, last time I cut them in half, gave me half, gave my husband half, and then I also gave him half of my half. Pretty sure I'm eating both my halves. All right, guys, let's go downstairs and check these out. All right, guys, we are downstairs. We are going to try our marshmallows. I have the Earl Grey and the pumpkin spice. I have my husband, and because I've waited a couple days and you guys knew I had my grandkids coming, I also have the grandbabies. So everybody gets to try. We're gonna get some opinions from 3 to, well, I guess if you count my husband, but 14. Those are the ones we're talking about. So first, let's try the Earl Grey. So this is the gray one, guys. Be interesting to see what kids think about, you know, tea. I didn't tell them it was tea.
It's also squishy too. It's like squishy.
It is squishy. It's like a marshmallow squishy.
It tastes like essential oils.
That's the bergamot. It does. It tastes like the bergamot in Earl Grey
I was
tea.
gonna say that it smells
good.
kind of orangey, like that bergamot.
That's what it is.
It's very light in flavor, though.
No, yeah.
Yeah, very light. But it's good. Do you guys
not
like
super
it?
strong.
How about you littles? Do you like it? She's just like,
It has a good flavor.
it has a good flavor.
It has a good flavor.
I think the one good on your palate. Do we need to cleanse it before we move on to pumpkin spice, which I think I can agree to the last. Are we all most excited about this one? Yes. We are all.
Less squishy.
It is. It's drier. The other one, the Earl Grey, was really, even on the outside, it was really almost wet.
Yeah.
This one just feels drier, like a regular marshmallow.
Yeah.
All right.
But this,
It smells like a pumpkin spice.
even it's like soft on the edges of this side. And
Yeah.
Soft. Yeah.
Pop-Pop's eating it.
Ooh.
It is like pumpkin.
It does taste like
tastes
pumpkin.
Like pumpkin pie filling. It does. Like so good.
It's like a kitty PSL.
It has a lot of like spice. Like it's very like.
It's good.
Like not like
Yeah, it's
hot,
good.
but like
I
spicy.
like that. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
it's pleasant. It's not overwhelmingly pumpkin, though.
No, but it's not like, remember last month, all the ones we did last month we talked about, they did not have a lot of flavor. That one's not overwhelming, but it's definitely got that pumpkin spice flavor.
Absolutely.
Which was your favorite? Baby Precious, what was your favorite?
The orange.
The orange one? Yeah, that was a good one.
My favorite one was the pumpkin one.
The pumpkin. Everybody?
Probably yeah. I did really like the Earl Grey one because it
I
was
did too.
more like it was just sweet.
I think I would like to float that in like a cup of Earl Grey, and then it would be
That
like
would
if
be
you
really
put,
good.
yeah,
It
like
would,
if you
like,
put
be
marshmallows and cocoa, but
Yeah.
instead it would be a
be
marshmallow.
like a good sweetener.
Yeah. What about you? What was your favorite?
Probably the Earl Grey.
I
I do like the pumpkin. Okay.
No, you don't have to change. I was gonna say we have a dissenter. We have one for Earl Grey. I like it.
I like the Earl Grey one.
Yeah.
It was better than I was expecting.
All right.
Yeah. It's not as like tea-y.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of opinions this time. All right. Thank you guys. I will see you again really soon, and I hope you have a great weekend.